Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Are you curious why most forex traders prefer to buy cars in Japanese yen rather than dollars? One major reason is the exchange rate advantage. The Japanese yen tends to be weaker against the US dollar, making it more affordable for traders to purchase cars from Japan. The Japanese automobile industry offers a wide range of high-quality vehicles with advanced technology and exceptional performance. From fuel-efficient hybrids to luxurious sports cars, they have it all. The reliability and durability of Japanese cars make them a popular choice among forex traders. With their reputation for excellence, these vehicles retain their value, ensuring a good resale price in the future. The Japanese car market is renowned for its innovation, constantly introducing new features and designs that cater to the evolving needs of customers. This attracts traders looking for the latest trends and cutting-edge technology. Forex traders, or foreign exchange traders, are always searching for profitable opportunities. They constantly analyze currency market trends to maximize their gains. One currency that has been gaining popularity among these traders is the Japanese yen. Its value has shown remarkable stability and consistent growth over the years. So, why do forex traders opt for Japanese yen when purchasing cars? Firstly, the Japanese yen offers cost advantages. Due to its strong value and stability, forex traders can buy cars at a more affordable price when paying in yen. Purchasing cars in Japanese yen provides a safe haven for traders. The yen has historically proven to be a safe and reliable currency, protecting traders from potential currency fluctuations. Buying cars using Japanese yen is a strategic financial move. Traders can take advantage of the potential appreciation of the yen, which could further increase their profits in the long run. The decision of forex traders to buy cars with Japanese yen is not just a coincidence. It is a well-researched and strategic move that offers cost advantages, stability, and potential profit growth. The ease of importing Japanese cars is another advantage. Many exporters in Japan provide seamless logistics and documentation support, simplifying the process for traders to import their desired vehicles. The combination of favorable exchange rates, quality vehicles, reliability, innovation, and ease of importation makes the Japanese yen the preferred currency for forex traders buying cars. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content.